Ready? Begin. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise to support the resolution. At the outset, I congratulate the Honourable Mover on having focused the attention of this House on this important resolution with regard to the steps to be taken to increase food production. By this resolution, the mover recommends to the government that proper incentives be given to farmers to increase food production. I shall refer to a few points raised in the resolution. At the outset, I shall take up the question of fertilizers. Here, I would like to say that it is not merely a question of supplying fertilizers at reduced prices, but I find that the government are not in a position to supply the necessary quantity of fertilizers to the farmers. According to government statistics, the annual consumption of fertilizers is on the increase. I believe it is an indication of the country's performance in crop production, but it is necessary to take steps to see that the necessary quantities of these fertilizers are made available to the farmers if we want to have sufficient food production. As far as imports are concerned, I feel it is necessary, at least for some years to come, to import fertilizers. But with regard to imports, there are certain difficulties. I would request the Honourable Minister to consider what steps he should take to remove these difficulties. The first difficulty that is felt is that there is not adequate amount of certain important fertilizers which are necessary for our country. The second difficulty I find is that there is a trend of raising prices in international markets which the farmers are not in a position to pay. The third difficulty is this: some contractors are not able to supply the fertilizers according to program. Last year, many of the contractors abroad were not in a position to fulfill their commitments. So, we could not get all the import quota. I am told that the government were aware of these difficulties and that therefore high-powered committees were appointed. We do not know the recommendations made by these committees. We do not know whether the imports submitted by the committees were useful to the government on getting over this difficulty. Now, I would like to invite the attention of the Honourable Minister to the indigenous production of fertilizers. Indigenous production, of course, has not kept pace with the growth of consumption of fertilizers. With reference to this, there are certain difficulties. I find from the various reports which have been circulated to us that the indigenous production becomes difficult on account of certain factors. One is that the supply of power is inadequate. Then there is a difficulty in movement of raw material. There is also breakdown of equipment. I would request the Honourable Minister to take necessary steps to solve these difficulties so that indigenous production of fertilizers may increase. Then, as the mover of the resolution has pointed out, mechanization of agriculture is also necessary. I would even say that it is a part of the economy of the world. So, mechanization is a must. I would here and now suggest some ways in which it can be brought about. I would like to point out for this purpose, splitting of land must be discouraged. I would suggest that a consolidation of holdings must be undertaken. I would also suggest that the law on transfer of agricultural land must change. In addition to all these, I would like to point out that we must find ways and means in which we can determine the size of the holding which will be fit for mechanization.